How difficult is it to kind of prepare all the documents for the different heritages to be recognized by UNESCO? It's something that Vietnam really pushes for.
Yes, actually, each one of the different nominations is very different from the other. So when you're talking about World Heritage Site, there is, an intergovernmental committee with different countries that makes the final decisions. The same happens for intangible culture, but it is a different committee. The same thing happens for Memory of the World. It is a different group of people. Same thing happens for Biosphere Reserves. We have the Man in Biosphere Committee, and there's a secretariat. So you have each one has a different procedure, but I would say, the most common issue among all these is, number one, that the country has to show what the outstanding universal value is. What is so special about this element that is being recognized, or this site that is being recognized? How is the country committing to the preservation? There's a lot of research going on. For example, for a World Heritage Site, a nomination file can take over a year to be prepared. The Vietnam Academy of Social Sciences and other institutes are participating quite a bit in doing this research to show, for example, if something is historic, how do you prove the validity of what is being presented? This gets sent then to different programs within UNESCO as Secretariat, who check that all the items are correctly presented.
Exactly.
And for example, in relation to Biosphere Reserves and World Heritage Sites, we also need the agreement of the local community. So there have to be workshops with the local community, and the local community has to sign the agreement that they want the site nominated. Then the different international groups are the ones who make the final decisions. In the case of the heritage sites, UNESCO invites independent institutes who come and do their research. I've tried to make one single explanation, but each procedure is a different procedure. It is not something that is easy